Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced.
Today we'll cover part 2 of our Pivot Tables mini-series. We will explore filtering and printing options. In order to keep things consistent, I'll open the layout we made in our last episode of Triple T. If you missed that last episode, there will be a card here at the top for it for your convenience. Using the drop-down, I'll select the last episode's layout, Hours by WBS, and a tip today is you should know that filtering is available on every field. And moving your mouse cursor over the WBS field and clicking on the small little filter icon in the top right corner of the field itself will give you the ability to filter down to any WBS on the proposal. Why is this important? Filtering is great for drilling down into your numbers, and sometimes it's the only way to show the data you're looking for. Another method for filtering is the Filter Data row. I'll have to turn on the fields list because I need another field to show filtering. I'll expand the task folder and drag CLIN, that stands for contract line item number, to the filter row up here at the top. The beauty of this method is you can filter the items in the layout without having the filter itself being on the layout. In this case, we have filtered by CLIN. I will check Show All, which will uncheck everything. Then I'll select CLIN 1AA and CLIN 1AB. But as you can see, it hides the fact that it's actually being filtered by CLIN. Keep in mind, this is the only way to add up CLIN items without showcasing subtotals for each CLIN. Next, let's take a look at printing options. What are they? Why are they important? Once you have a layout created and fit to your preferences, how are you going to show off your masterpiece? At the top of the pivot grid, we can click Print Preview, a little paper with a magnifying glass on it. In the Print Preview options, we can click on Customize and set preferences for borders and headers. Also, we have under Page Setup, we have the ability to set the size and the orientation. I think the most important option here is the Export Document section. Let's take a look at why. Here, I'll choose the modern XLSX file and set the Print to Excel options. I'll keep the export mode as single file, but I'll rename the sheet to WBS and check the Show Grid Lines checkbox for a cleaner output. Now I can print my pivot layout directly to an Excel workbook. Voila! As usual, to summarize all this, we have learned that ProPricer hosts some of the most powerful filtering options and that it provides us with different types of filtering selections, some of which are visible in the pivot layout and some are more stealthy. We also briefly covered how to set style, format options, and how to go about transferring a pivot grid to Excel.
If this was awesome, get subscribed and hit that like button. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale. And as always, thanks for watching.